Interrupted with the Cl library DLL blocking Microsoft Visual C++ workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Avoid long manual edits for Cl library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Cl library. This is the core logic library for the Microsoft C and C++ compiler. It handles the parsing of source code and the generation of machine-readable assembly for just-in-time compilation tasks. While usually a developer-side dependency, some simulation software includes it for runtime script compilation. Its absence will prevent the software from executing dynamic logic or custom user-written macros. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Cl library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Cl library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Technical warning, many online file mirrors provide versions of Cl library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Cl library environment. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Cl library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.